How to get best Remitly discount promo codes. Want to save money when sending money abroad with Remitly? Here's how to find and use the best promo codes for maximum discounts. So, visit trusted coupon sites. Start by checking trusted coupon websites such as Coupon Follow, Retail Me Not, and Deal Drop. Verified codes here often give you $20 to $40 off your first transfer or regional discounts like £15 off in the UK. Always use verified codes first. These are tested and guaranteed to work, unlike community submitted codes, which may be expired. Sign up for Remitly's newsletters. New users often get exclusive welcome codes and seasonal promotions directly in their inbox. Remitly offers region specific discounts. So, for example, US customers may get $20 off, while UK customers can save up to £15 on transfers over £100. Seasonal promotions often bring extra discounts, so plan your transfers around holidays or global events to save more. That is how you get the best Remitly discount promo codes.